Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be organising my brand new hobby horse stable. Okay, so what we're going to start off by doing is we're going to start by doing all of the rosettes, but I'm going to start off by this more hobby horse and I'm just going to pop that inside like that. So I'm going to talk you through all of my rosettes. So this one was the Christmas fun day. I got first for the the show jumping, so that can go there. So this one was the first for the barrel racing at the Halloween fun day. Then these 2 seconds were from different shows. This one was from the Christmas fun day. I think I did it in the Chase Me Charlie. Then this one was for the Halloween fun day. I think it was for the pony games. So surprisingly, I've only got 1/3 place. This was one of the first ones that I went to, so I can't remember which one this was for, but you can go there. Again, I can't remember, but these two were for the 5th places. So I got one in the Christmas one and in the Halloween one. Then all of these were the well done ones, like the ones that I didn't quite place in. Okay, so we're all finished with rosettes, so now we're going to do tack. So with all the tack, I'm just going to fasten all of the buckles up. So bridle number 1's hung up, it's the Mexican bridle. Then I've got this little gold spare bit. I lied, we're not finished with the medals. So these are all from the Grand Nationals. I'm actually so angry at myself because every time I get second, there's this really, really fast girl. She always beats me. But, might change on Saturday. Hung them on one of the pegs. So next I've got Foley's breastplate / martingale. So I've just done the lead rope. But next up we had the Lemure Ice Blue. Or is it Glacier? I don't know which one, but it's the colour. Right, so I'm going to untack Bubbles so I can get her bridle. Okay, so lastly for the hooks, we're going to go with this mini Lemure grooming kit. This is what it's looking like so far. Quite happy with it. So yeah. Right, so this is one of my travel bags. I might be getting some more of these, but I'm going to be folding that up and putting it at the side. Since Foley's a white hobby horse, I normally put him in this. Okay, so now it's time to put the hobby horses in. Okay, so we're going to be starting off with my friend's hobby horse. This is Horace, and he is a livery here. Next up is my favourite, Foley. He's obviously my pony, and he's going to go in the middle. He's quite the tall hobby horse. And last but not least, we have Bubbles, who's going to go right here. Thank you guys for watching, and this is the finished look.